Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. A very happy new year to all of you guys, and a happy holidays. So with this new year wishes, let's start the reading, guys. I hope this year brings lot of happiness, prosperity and success in each and every one of our lives, guys. So for your daily reading, Virgos, I'll be picking cards from this deck. For your relationship, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whatever questions you have about this connection, you can think about it before choosing the pile, and I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, Virgos. So let's start with the daily reading first. Knight of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse, and the Moon in reverse. So with these cards, guys, I see you are a person who puts in lot of efforts and who is quite responsible, and today maybe you are simply tired, feeling tired, some kind of you want to take time, rest, take time to think about some things. Maybe it may be something to do with your career, or it may be something to do with your personal life, guys. So you are thinking deeply, what is your next plan, what is your path in life. And I also see that you are confused, you have some doubts about somebody. It may be this person, you don't have that clarity about them because of the way they are. Maybe that lack of communication, lack of good communication and understanding in this connection, and you doubt them, you don't trust them, and you feel this person is masking their true feelings for you. They are not coming out with the truth. So you feel that they are in this connection just to benefit themselves for something. Maybe they just want to have fun with you, not for this true love. And whatever they say or whatever they do, you simply doubt them. You don't find that goodness in their actions, because they may be that, guys. They are not radiating love. They are here, they have their own agenda, and you are sensing it in this connection, guys. So it may be your energy towards them, or it may be their energy towards you, guys. And I also see that you would have made some mistakes in this connection. You would have done it, or they would have done it. That may be the reason, or that lack of communication may be the reason for things going downhill in this connection, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Or maybe it may be something to do in your career. There are people whom you cannot trust, whom you cannot rely on, guys, and they may even be trying to grab your job, grab your opportunities. You have to be really careful, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. For your love reading, stay tuned for that pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first pile, this is the second pile, and this is the third pile. So whatever questions you have regarding your connection, you can think about it, meditate for a few seconds in silence. Then we will start with the first card, guys. I'll start with the first card. So as soon as you open your eyes, choose the pile that comes to you first. So I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start the reading after 2 seconds of silence, guys. Okay guys, so let's start with the first pile. It's Ace of Spheres, the Chariot, Magician in reverse. So for those who have chosen this first deck, in your situation today guys, maybe in your relationship you would have had some troubles or some quarrels in the past, some kinds of arguments, misunderstandings. So you would have felt really emotional and you would have felt really stressed, impulsive to go and do something, and you would have reacted a lot. But with these cards I see that you are trying to understand your situation, understand your needs and your what is there in your heart, and you are able to find that balance in your situation. So you are trying to balance your emotions, balance the way you behave with this person, trying to bring that harmony in this connection guys. And you would have had some different view about this person, some kind of illusion about them. That was the reason for these troubles in your situation guys. So you were thinking of them as something different, but when they revealed that true picture to you, you did not find it appealing maybe, and that may be the reason for the stress. But I see that things are beginning to fall into place in this connection for you guys. So all that troubles that you are facing, you are trying to find that understanding, understand your emotions and understand your true wishes that are there in your heart, and you are moving forward in this emotional journey, and you are progressing towards that happiness and contentment in this connection guys. So you are moving towards that lucky part of your connection. All that negative impact that you had till now is going to simply disappear, and you're moving towards a very good phase in this connection guys. So a better understanding and love with this person. So that is what I see with these cards guys, for those who have chosen this first deck. Thank you for watching this video guys. If it resonates, please like and comment. So let's start with the second card guys. Second cards that we have chosen. For those who have chosen the second deck, it's Page of Air, Magician and Six of Fire. So with these cards guys, in your situation today, you have that deep commitment towards this person. You are responsible for this connection, and you are trying to make things work beautifully in this connection, putting your skills and talents. And maybe with this person you are trying to build that understanding and love, a deeper meaningful connection. So you are being really curious today to find out about this person, find out whether this person is the person for you, and you are trying to understand the things that you don't know about them, interesting things that you don't know about them, and you are exploring this connection, how this person is, and how you can what is that common thing between you both to build that understanding. So you are making lot of efforts for this connection and you love this person. That is what I see guys. and this relationship is transforming into something really beautiful. You are building that trust with this person, confidence with this person. This person really feels confident about you and they love you, and they feel that you are a very knowledgeable, intelligent person who influences them in a very good way. And I also see that with this person you have that inspiration, you feel that inspiration to be with them. So some kind of intuition guiding you towards this person, guys. That is what I see. Maybe for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are in a new relationship and you are trying to build that understanding and love with this person. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start with the third card. For those who have chosen this deck, I will turn the cards. It's 9 of Pentacles, 10 of Swords, and Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, I see that you are having some troubles in your situation, something worrying you, stressing you a lot. You may feel quite lonely and troubled because of that, and maybe things are going in a very uncontrollable way in your connection, maybe because of some arguments or because of some stressful things that has happened, and you feel that you have too many responsibilities and this person is not responsible like you, and you would have felt a great attraction and love towards them, and they did not reciprocate it for some of you. So you may feel a satisfaction because all that imagination that you are having about them, all that is coming to an end, and you see things with clarity today. Maybe I see with these cards, guys, for some of you, things may quickly come to an end between you and this person. They may move out all of a sudden. They may move out of this connection, move out of your life all of a sudden, and things are going downhill in this connection. But I also see that you are getting that understanding that this connection may not work, and it is for the better that you are not taking those efforts to mend things in this connection, guys. Maybe it may not be worth it for some of you, and for some of you I see that you are simply tired and you feel that your life is ruined and too much to bear for you, too much pain to bear to get back with this person, guys. And I also see that you may be to get over the stress, you may turn yourself to shopping, some kind of shopping you may be doing to get over the stress of the separation. And I see things are going maybe it is inevitable in this connection, guys, that you are finding it difficult to repair the negative things in this connection. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.